In this video, I'm going to show you how to pull data from another sheet in Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, if you want to pull data from another sheet in Google Sheets, it's easy once you know the right formula. Whether you're copying a single cell or an entire column or data from a different spreadsheet, Google Sheets has built-in functions to make it simpler. Okay, so the best method is to pull data from another sheet in the same spreadsheet. So if both sheets are in the same Google Sheet file, so I've got 3 sheets here. So I want to pull data into this sheet, from this sheet into this sheet. Now I want to select the destination cell, so select the cell where you want the data to appear. So I'm going to come up to here and appear here. So for example, A1, and then we need to enter the reference formula. So this is got to look like this, sheet A1. If we hit enter, now this is going to display whatever is in sheet A1 and nothing is in there. So I want to say do A3. So make sure we got the correct. So I'm going to come up here, change this sheet 1 to A3 and then hit enter. Then you can see product. Now we can do the same here on the next. So if we want to display the, say the price, so that's going to be B3. So I want to go ahead and change this to B3. Now, if you want to go ahead and pull an entire column, we can do so. So instead of reference one cell, you can display an entire column. So the format is going to look like this, sheet A to A. Now this is going to import everything from column A. So if I hit enter, so there's nothing in there, but I need to change this again. Well, if that doesn't work, we can go ahead. You can see here, it's going to pull this column into sheet 2. If that doesn't work, we can also try this as well. So sheet 1, A2 to B10, and then hit enter.